Hi, I'm Nayan Maria Shoujo. I am at the College of Engineering and Technology. I am currently pursuing B.Tech in Computer Science and now have moved on to the second semester. Well, here I am to share my experience with the Nasscom FutureSkills Prime platform. I recently completed a digital skill enhancement course on the Nasscom FutureSkills Prime platform, which is actually designed to enhance the digital skills and promote lifelong learning in the emerging technologies. Actually, the platform provides a wide range of content enabling the students and professionals to stay relevant in an evolving job market. Well, my experience with the future skills has been very exceptional. To be honest, the platform is actually very user friendly and the courses are well structured and it provides an in-depth knowledge about each concept and it also is made accessible to the learners of all levels. I also appreciate the flexibility that it puts in to learn at own pace, which actually is combined with interactive elements in it, such as assessments and forums, which actually keeps us engaged throughout the course. Throughout this program, I actually gained expertise in certain areas, key areas actually, which is cloud computing, data science, artificial intelligence, that is AI, and cybersecurity. Well, each course has got its own practicality, allowing us to understand how these technologies are actually applied in the real world scenarios. Well, the knowledge that I gained has already started to impact my personal and also my technical development. Not only do I feel more confident in advancing my digital skills, but I also have got a little bit idea of how the future of technology is going to shape the industries of tomorrow. And actually, I pursued the certification of a digital 101 skill enhancement course, which is actually a 30-hour course, and I got a gold certification in it. And one of the most notable aspects that I found in this platform is its practical approach to learning. The hands-on labs and the case studies that they provide is absolutely incredible, which is made us understand more of how these technologies work and how these can be applied in the real life scenarios. These are highly motivating. Now, I would also like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to the Nasscom and FutureSkills Prime for providing such an incredible learning platform. The resources, the support, the opportunities, and also the great teamwork that this team holds is absolutely incredible, and it has already started playing a great role in all the individuals taking part in this platform. I look forward to continue to learn and grow with this platform in the future too. Thank you.